gopis of Vrindavan are considered as Parakiya Nayikas. In this song, the heroine tells Krishna, "My husband who married me when I was a child has now come to take me. You and I are like the sun and the lotus, and distance does not matter. As you are never away from my thoughts, it will give me the courage. Please do not forget me, Krishna." Philosophy provides us with a larger perspective of this state. We are all wedded to this world, and when we hanker after God, we can be considered as parakiyas, that is, one who is married to one man and is in love with another.
ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ